Hello everyone. So there's this new care home in the UK that is massively recruiting overseas workers. I know that finding a job right now with visa sponsorship in a care home in the UK is like the hardest thing. So I dug deep, I did my research a great deal. And this care home is recruiting overseas workers. So if you're looking to migrate to the UK on the health and care visa, you want to migrate as a healthcare assistant, then you really need to watch this video. And if you're wondering how you can migrate to the UK as a healthcare assistant, anyone can do it. You don't need a health background. You can start, from scratch and still make it happen. I have a video up here where you can watch to find out everything about how to migrate to the UK as a healthcare assistant. So in that video, you're going to find a step-by-step process, all you need to do from start to finish to land UK as a healthcare assistant. So this video is about a job you can apply for in the UK to migrate on the health and care visa. If you are just meeting, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to my channel. Do subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you know every time I share a new video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. Check out my second channel, Jackie Finance, if you're interested in content about how to make money online and be financially independent. Okay, yeah, I know that finding a job in the UK as a healthcare assistant from overseas is like so hard right now. Many of them are refusing to hire from overseas. I'm so aware of that. I get your emails every day, people telling me, they really, really need jobs in the UK. Okay, so you can try applying to the one I'll show you in this video. I'm going to show you the website. So let's go to the website to see this care home, all right? So I just want to go straight to just show you the information for international applicants here. So this care home in the UK is hiring from overseas, and I just want to show you the details about that. So international applicants, we are actively recruiting for senior care workers and senior rehab care assistants. We provide support with well-being, face-to-face care calls, live-in care, telehealth calls, and rehabilitation, enabling our customers to live independently in their own homes. We welcome UK and international carers and nurses who have at least 2 years experience of providing care in a professional capacity to apply. So the senior role may include, but not limited to, so for senior carers, companionship, personal care and continence support, administering medication, preparing healthy meals, supporting with hobbies, interests, and activities, accompanying to appointments, specialized care for dementia, Parkinson's, stroke, and other conditions, liaising with other healthcare professionals trained to provide rehabilitation and care in private homes supported by healthcare professionals, managing client records electronically through an app on your phone. So that's about it. So there is, a video here that just explains some of the work. All right, so start your application here. Number one is a CV. The first thing you need to do is your CV. Ensure you have a good CV. I have a video about how to write your CV and your cover letter. You're going to find it in the UK playlist in the description below and the top right corner of your screen. So you'll see the video there. So number one, send your CV and fill out your application online. So there's an online application to fill. And number two, you're going to have a Zoom interview. Once we have received and reviewed your application, we will contact you to arrange a Zoom interview. And then the step three is a compliance check. On successful completion of your interview, our friendly compliance team will look after your application and obtain your documents and references. International applicants will require the IELTS International English Language Test and our employers' sponsorship to apply for a work permit, right? So that is the COS that you're referring to. The final decision is then made by the Home Office when it has to do with your visa. And then number four is induction and training. You are ready to be booked onto your training program, which will be completed half in the comfort of your own home via our interactive training app and half in our UK head office face to face with a member of our training team, right? So for your induction training, you're going to do some online from your home. And then when you arrive the UK, you complete the training. And then number 5 is shadowing. Once you have completed your training, to become a team member of Ann Mason Care, you will be meeting our clients with a mentor to be signed off with your practical competencies, right? So that is how it goes. So senior care workers, the role, this is what the role is. And the salary here is 1150 to 1350 pounds, depending on experience. And that is an hourly rate. All right. Okay, so let's see the role. Let's just see what the role is about. Yeah. So we are looking for caring, compassionate people who are organized and work on their own initiative. It is important that you have good communication skills in written and English and spoken English to join our home care team. International applicants will need to have completed the IELTS test. So the ideal candidate is who, right? The successful senior care worker will have achieved a QCF levels 3 in health and senior care or equivalent. So if you're a nurse, this is for you, right? And then if you have these qualifications, it's also for you as well. Have a full UK or international driving license and access to their own car, team player and conscious contribution to the team, have the right to work in the UK. Our immigration team will assist, are over 18 years of age, an enhanced DBS check will be required, UK bank account, national insurance number. Our onboarding team will provide assistance. So the information here is both for UK and international applicants. So the ones that you don't have, they're going to assist with that. Like it's written here, our immigration team will assist. So all of this, there's assistance for it. And there's also information on how to get a UK bank account and a national insurance number. I'm going to show you that below. Okay, so the main duties of the senior care assistant role is this. So these are what the duties are. You provide individual care of us to our service users. You spot, check, and monitor of quality and assurance, administration of care records, carry out initial risk and needs assessment, and all of that. This is quite a long list. So go through it. And if these are things that you've done already, you have experience in these things, then ensure to add them to your CV, right? So go through this list. If you have done these things in your current or previous job, because you do need 2 years experience for this. So I believe that to apply for this, you have experience, right? So if you've done these things in your previous job, so go and write these things in your CV as the job description, your job role of your current or previous work, so that they are sure that they are going to hire the right person, right? So go back to your CV, edit it, and put these things as what you have done in your previous job. I hope you understand what I mean. All right. Okay, so there are FAQs here. So let's just quickly go through it so we can get a better understanding of how to get these things done. So number 1 is UK bank account. You must hold a UK bank account so that you can receive your monthly pay. We can assist with providing you a letter to take to your preferred bank that will aid you in setting this up. All right. So they're going to help with that. And also your UK national insurance number. They are also going to assist with that. So these are details on how to get it set up. You will also require a UK national insurance number, which you can apply once you have set up your bank account. Just to make an appointment to see your local benefits office or Job Center Plus, and they will make the arrangements. It's important to have your permanent number set up within 1 to 2 months of arriving the UK. So as you can see here, they are considering those that are outside the UK for this role as well. So let's see working conditions. I'm an international applicant. Where will I live? They will assist you with finding accommodation. This will be agreed and managed. You will be located in between Ipswich and Colchester, right? And then uniform, they're going to provide uniform and all of that. So there's a whole lot of information here. So go through this website. The link will be in the description to see everything, read everything. So you click here to apply now. There's a phone number and email address you can send inquiries to. So the name of this care home is Ann Mason Care. Ann Mason Care. So the link will be in the description. So you can go check it out and apply as soon as possible. Okay, so I hope this is useful to you, and do share this opportunity with others as well so they could take advantage of this. And do give the video a like, that is a thumbs up, to just show support that you appreciate the work that I do here. And subscribe to the channel so you can be seeing more videos like this. My name is Jackie, and I will see you in my next video.